Hey pandas, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my salon nails at home with no acrylic. First, start off with freshly washed hands, then grab a nail clipper to start clipping down your nails. The shorter the nail, the easier the application. Next, you're going to take this cuticle pusher and start pushing down your cuticle. This helps keep your nail from breaking off easily and makes it last longer. After pushing them down, slide back and forth underneath the cuticle just to give the press-on nail more room to stick. Then use a nail filer to file the nail down until it's rough. This makes a good base for the glue and the nail to really stick together. Remember to wash your hands off with only water. You don't want any soapy or oily residue on your nails. This will create air bubbles under the nail and cause them to slip off easier. Next, grab your press-on nails of choice and begin sizing them to your fingers. Always go a bit smaller than your actual nail so you don't have to do too much filing and shaping. Now it's time for glue. Krazy glue works fine for me, but I usually use Gorilla Glue because it has a much stronger hold and it's a little thicker. You want to apply a small enough amount to seal the nail down and spread over your nail, but not too much so it seeps out the sides of the nail. And even if it does a little bit, you can use the damp Q-tips to wipe off the sides. Then go back with the nail clipper and clip to desired length and shape. Start from the sides, then work your way to the middle. Then use the nail filer again to shape the nail how you want it. Once you have your shape, now you can start painting. Grab your favorite nail polish and begin with a single drop. Start from the middle, then blend the sides. If the nail polish you have is thick and hard to blend, add some polish thinner. And if you don't have polish thinner, try running the closed bottle under some hot water. This acts as a natural polish thinner. Lastly, you'll be using a top coat of choice to harden and seal the polish to keep it from chipping and getting dirty. Polish with the same technique you used before. There you have it, salon-like nails at home for under $20. And remember to let the polish fully dry before washing again to avoid ruining the paint. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Bye, pandas.